Welcome to ERP Business-Sys Ltd, Tally Software's authorized solution partner in East Africa. In this video, I'll be taking you through how Tally software can be used for the bakery sector. Tally is a widely accepted and admired business management software amongst SMEs and CAs since 1986. With over 2 million customers globally, footprints in 100 plus countries, and 28,000 partners across the globe. These are a few features of Tally. This is the process of producing bread. It starts with the purchasing of raw materials, followed by making the mixture. You can define a formula in Tally of salt, sugar, calcium, and improver. Then the production of bread, where you can also set a formula of flour, the pre-mixture, and yeast. I'll take you through my demo company, starting with the chart of accounts, stock items. I've grouped them accordingly. We can have a look at the formula, also called bill of material, for my premix. Note that you can create multiple formulas for a single item. So to make 80 kg, I need this much salt, sugar, calcium, and improver. Then we can have a look at the formula for finished goods. We can check the cost estimation report for finished goods, which is calculated from the formulas defined in master, where premix is used to make the finished good, so the formula of that as well is shown. We can have a look at my purchase voucher of raw materials from the register. The purchase shows the quantity, rate, and total. For example, 500 grams of salt was bought at 0.02 with a total of 10. Then we can move to the mixing voucher from inventory, production. I'll select the product, then the formula, so that I don't have to input the raw materials manually. As you can see, I've blocked the rate and amount for the production user, and I can save it. We can check the effect of this entry on the inventory. As you can see, raw materials show an outward as per the amount inputted in the voucher, and the premix shows an inwards of a production amount. Now that the mixing voucher is available, I can produce the final product from the production voucher. I'll select the product, then the formula. The formula will calculate the quantity of raw materials automatically, whether the production quantity is 1 or 50. You can always change the quantities according to what was used. I can also add any byproduct or scrap on the right. In this case, damaged bread. I'll select the cost of allocation to this item, and then the quantity that was produced. I have a fixed production overhead of 10% on each production entry for electricity and water. The total effective cost for the whole voucher is displayed here, minus the scrap value to calculate the rate of the item produced. And save. Then we can check the effect of this production from stock summary. As shown, raw materials show an outward of the quantity entered in the voucher, and the product shows an inwards with a 50 with the cost. We can have a look at the production variance, where it shows adverse or favorable variance for each production, where units of manufacturing from the formula are used to calculate how much material usage was estimated for the units produced, which gives me the required quantity, compared with the actual consumption quantity, which gives me the variance, where if it's negative, it's adverse, and positive means it's favorable. And lastly, dispatch for sales with crates for tracking purposes and extra cent as well. When the crates are returned, a crates return entry is entered in the system, and the accumulation of extra cent can be put against the customer's balance. Any damaged bread that is produced from the mixture to production process can be sold too. I can log in with the sale user. We can process a sale entry. I'll select the party name, salesperson, price list, and the product. I'll enter crates as well, where 2 crates are needed. And I'll add the extra cent, 1 for each quantity, so 12. And the previous savings balance will display at the bottom, as well as how many of your crates are with this customer. Then we can check the effect of this on the stock. As you can see, there's an outward from the product we sold, and we can check the profit of the item from here. We can also track our crates that haven't been returned. I'll go to Inventory, Movement Analysis, Stock Item, Crates. And the customers that have an outstanding crates balance will display here. I can enter to make it detailed. The negative balances shows a crate return. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe for more videos.